Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can save your audio message on your iPhone. It is a very simple process. All you have to do is first of all open your Messages app. After you've done that, now choose the person that you want to message to. Now here, in order to send a voice message, what I'm going to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see on the bottom left corner of the phone right here. Tap on it. After doing so, now here you can see the option of audio. Tap on it in order to record your audio. And now here you can see my audio is being recorded. And in order to send my audio, what I'm going to do is tap on this pause button that you see right here. And then tap on this blue send button. And now in order to save this voice message, what I'm going to do is tap on this keep option that you can see right here. And now this voice message will be forever kept on your chat until you decide to delete it. The next thing that you can do in order to save your voice clip is save it into voice memos. For that, long press on your voice clip. And here this will pop up. And now here you can also see the option of save to voice memos. Tap on it. And now your voice clip has been saved on your voice memo. You can go back and check it out. Here you can see the audio message is recorded, which is on the 11:36, and that is when I saved my voice clip. Yeah, and that is it. That is how you can save your voice clip on your iPhone. Really easy and simple, right? If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.